Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today, we're going to take a look at our trade-in Grady-White 255 Freedom. It's a 2019. It's in superb condition. It's been dry stored inside for its entire life. But just now got moved out into our parking lot when we traded it in. It's low hours. It's got under 80 hours on it. It's a great family boat. It's a fantastic fishing boat as well. You can see you've got rod holders in the back of the boat, rod holders in the gunnel. We've got a wet bar here on the starboard side. We've got a fold-out bench seat back in the back of the boat. We've got a live well on the port side. So again, this is a fishing boat, but it's a fishing boat that's got lots of seating on it, so it's good for a great day of cruising. You've got a reversible seat with a reversible backrest on the seat on the port side. Slides forward or aft depending on which way you want to face. The double wide captain's chair is really nice to have if you need a little extra space. This boat has got it for you. You can stand up and drive. You can flip the bolster down. You can sit down and drive. You've got a tilt steering wheel on here. Beautiful custom match painted hardtop legs on this boat. The finished off so nice on the underside of the hardtop. Place to put your life jackets up here so they're quick to get it, but they're out of the way. Big bow seating area on here. This is a 2019. It's our trade-in. Trades are accepted. It's a beautiful riding boat. Give me a call. I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Let's take it for a ride.